Okay, here we go with restoring your old rusted rims with Eastwood Encapsulator Supreme, gum out, sandpaper, wire brush, and a rag. You can see this. I've just painted this. That's a headlight rim and a car rim, tire rim. And here's what it looks like. Here's one that this is the last one I'm going to do. All I really did was I just loosened up this. I sanded it with the paper, with this, and then I sprayed gum out on it and wiped it clean, get the grease off it. And now I'm going to paint it with this, which is what the same stuff I used to paint the whole truck. I use these little cheap brushes that you get from Harbor Freight for like $1 or 50 cents. Just throw them out. Now after I put this on, of course, this encapsulating paint makes it so the rust won't come through. How do I know that? Because I've done the whole van with it, and it comes out really good. So after I prime it, this is the primer, I'm going to paint it the same color as the cream here, and you can see where the headlight rim's going to go. Make it look really good. So I'm going to do a little bit of it now just to show you how easy it is. Okay, so here you go. Here's the tire. Whoop. Here's my brush. Watch this. Voila. And when you're done, it looks like that. So there you go. Some more dirt cheap DIY in your driveway, restoring your van on a budget. After I get it done and I paint it the cream, I'll be back on. A little later I'm going to do the whole interior of the van, but for right now, this is it, because I'm working on the brakes.